Prime Minister Andrew Holness says some critics of the Firearms Prohibition Bill are making excuses for criminals and are emboldening those who use illegal guns in the country. Mr. Holness, while defending the proposed new legislation, also stressed that a gun amnesty will follow once the bill becomes law. We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
The Firearms Prohibition Bill will go before the Upper House on Friday, where it will be debated by senators. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says he expects the bill to be passed.
Shortly thereafter, it will become law. Every Jamaican, be aware, be forewarned. The penalties have increased significantly.
The bill, among other things, proposes a minimum mandatory 15 years in prison at hard labor for persons who are caught with an illegal gun. Critics have argued that the proposed law will take away discretion from judges when the time comes for sentencing in gun cases.
Ask every well-thinking Jamaican to stand with me today against those who would seek to create excuses for our young men and women to take up and use illegal firearms. There is no just reason to have an illegal firearm in this country. None. There are no freedom fighters here. There is no rebellion force here. Every Jamaican must be a law-abiding citizen. And when we make these kinds of excuses for the possession of illegal weapons, all we are doing is empowering criminals.
Mr. Holness also reiterated that a gun amnesty will be in place for a short period of time after the Firearms Bill becomes law.
But out of fairness and equity, out of enough forewarning, so that you can't come in front of the judge and say, Your Honor, I did not know. We will implement a period of amnesty.
The details of the gun amnesty will be worked out by the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, in consultation with the Parliament.
Immediately there are those who will scoff at the amnesty. Which bad man is going to go give up them gun? Well, really, I don't want you to give it up. I want to catch you with it.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ.